Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You need a supported carrier and up-to-date iOS before you start. First, confirm your plan includes Volte and restart the iPhone to clear caches. Once done, open Settings, tap Cellular, and make sure cellular data is on. This step enables the menus you'll use. You're starting inside the right menu so actions will appear. Make note of the current network indicator because you'll verify changes later. Now go to Cellular Data Options and choose Voice and Data. You must select LTE or 5G Auto depending on your model. This lets voice use the superior data network. Then, look for a voice LTE or VO LTE toggle and switch it on. If your iPhone shows multiple options, pick the one that prioritizes LTE for voice. This provides clearer calls and faster call setup. Make sure airplane mode is off so changes can register on the network. Finish by making a test call and watch the status indicator to confirm LTE or 5G remains active during the call. This proves VO LTE is working. If it doesn't, restart the iPhone and reinsert the SIM to force network re-registration. If problems continue, contact your carrier to ensure VO LTE is provisioned on your account and that there are no local outages. They can also push settings or replace the SIM. One tip: toggling cellular data off and on can prompt the network to apply changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.